But it's just been really great to be able to focus on our business and, almost force us to look at the things that really kind of make a difference. So that's been really worthwhile. The sessions have been great. Sophie's really good at sort of keeping us accountable as well.
She's
so
a great
that
sounding
helps.
board for all the things we want to do. And we like running things past her, seeing what she thinks of it. Before,
Yeah, because she's a business owner herself,
Yeah.
then she's got a lot of sort of practical knowledge as well. So
She
yeah,
understands this.
so that's been really useful, and it's really that accountability. It's kind of like we need someone to kind of say, have you done this? What can you do next? Set those goals for yourself and then take action, because we're still in that stage of our business where we kind of get very bogged down with the day-to-day, and we're not focusing on how we can grow. And that's where this has been brilliant, is to make us do this really and see that it is possible, that we don't have to just try and do it all ourselves and bootstrap everything. We've got to look at the bigger picture and think about how we want to be working long term. So yes, it's been really, really good for us.
It's helping us to think bigger.